Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wells Fargo app for mobile deposits after claims, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iPhone users, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Wells Fargo. Look for the official Wells Fargo app in the search results. Ensure it is the correct app by checking the publisher's name, which should be Wells Fargo. Tap on the app to open its page. For iPhone users, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Wells Fargo app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. Once logged in, navigate to the mobile deposit feature. Follow the steps to deposit your check using your camera. Make sure to take clear photos of both the front and back of the check as instructed. Confirm the deposit details and submit your deposit request. Wait for a confirmation message that your deposit was successful. You are now ready to use the Wells Fargo app for mobile deposits. Enjoy the convenience of banking on the go with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.